Intimacy and Desire. Awaken the Passion in Your Relationship. Written by David Schnarch. Introduction. Intimacy and Desire. Is your relationship losing its magic? Picture this. You're sitting next to your partner, but something feels different. The electricity that once sparked between you seems to have dimmed. Sound familiar? You're about to discover why this happens to almost every couple, and more importantly, how to fix it. Want to know the most surprising truth about relationship problems? They're actually normal. Yes, you read that right. When couples lose their spark, it's not a red flag. It's a green light, showing your relationship is mature enough to enter its next exciting phase. Here's what makes this video essential viewing. First, you'll learn why your relationship isn't broken. Those moments when you feel disconnected from your partner,